Professor Foot is in the middle of conducting class, and the class can barely hear him over this loud, obnoxious noise coming from outside. And he gets exasperated. He says, why the hell do they play that? Hatred noise in the middle of a campus like this. And Gina, who's doing what I'm doing, checking out my 2014 imagery on opportunity phone card, How I Reach the World. I'm Melvin, son of Carpenter Mary. A dad a carpenter, mom Mary Ann. Carpenter worked on skyscraper, mom Mary Ann. I get to make parables like this one, and Gina is checking out the slideshow of my imagery, as well as a few parables. She's got her earbuds in, not disturbing her fellow classmates. And Gina says, you know what Stone Cold Melvin me says about hatred when you hear it? Go check on your stuff. And Professor Foot says, you know, that's a good idea. He goes over the window and looks out. And he says, son of a bitch, get away from my car. Yeah, there's a parasite outside. Remember, parasites come from all races and places. A parasite is outside. He brought his personal noise, hatred noisemaker with him, and he's breaking into Professor Foot's car out there in the parking lot. And, yeah. Professor Foot ends class early, runs outside to see if he can save any of his stuff. That's a good idea, guys. Do that. I'm Melton. And it's not just those breaking into cars. Someone's breaking into your phone right now. 424-229-414. Make a video of America's Lifelines being hijacked. Been asking for over 8 years. Have yet to get that first one. No certified, no non-certified mail either. Make that video with your phone of another American's lifeline being hijacked. And, oh, someone makes a video of whoever's stealing from Professor Foot, so they know who to look for, the cops. But make that video, post that video. YouTube, Instagram, Twitter say phone records don't lie, especially when good Americans are making videos of those hijacked calls. When that happens, it's a Watergate thing, with somebody breaking into America's lifelines. That's much worse than Watergate. How we get the firemen, police, paramedics. Don't let political and religious censorship, business censorship as well. Stop that. Document. Be the reporter. You must.